Welcome to this comprehensive review of the Trivago affiliate program. If you're considering joining this platform as part of your affiliate marketing journey, this video will walk you through every step of the experience. Trivago is a well-known travel search engine that connects users to the best hotel deals worldwide. Their affiliate program allows marketers to earn commissions by promoting Trivago's services on their websites or platforms. In this video, we start by exploring how the Trivago affiliate program works. As a member, you can earn revenue by driving traffic to Trivago's platform, with a focus on hotel bookings and travel deals. Trivago's interface provides affiliates with a range of tools, including banners, widgets, and links, which can be customized to fit your website's theme or design. These tools are not only user-friendly but also designed to optimize click-through rates and conversions. Next, we examine the commission structure. Trivago offers a performance-based payment system where your earnings depend on the traffic quality and booking conversions generated through your affiliate links. While the program is competitive, the exact commission rates and payouts may vary, so it's crucial to keep an eye on the latest updates from their terms. To get started, signing up for the Trivago affiliate program is straightforward. Visit their official affiliate portal, fill out the registration form, and wait for approval. Once approved, you'll gain access to the dashboard, where you can track clicks, conversions, and commissions in real time. The dashboard is intuitive, making it easy for both beginners and experienced affiliates to navigate and analyze their performance metrics. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources, so make sure to check them out after watching the video. These resources can help enhance your affiliate marketing skills and overall strategy. We also cover the program's strengths and weaknesses. One of the major advantages is Trivago's global recognition and reputation, which can boost your credibility as an affiliate. The platform's wide range of hotel options ensures there's something for every traveler. However, some users report that the commission rates can be lower compared to other travel affiliate programs, making it essential to carefully evaluate your niche and audience. For those in the travel blogging or digital marketing industry, the Trivago affiliate program offers a promising avenue for monetization. The program support team is available to address queries, and they provide resources to help affiliates optimize their campaigns. However, successful affiliate marketing requires strategic content creation and consistent effort. Before we wrap up, if you have any questions about the program or affiliate marketing in general, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to answer and guide you through any challenges you might face. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you found this review helpful. Your support allows me to create more content like this, and I truly appreciate it. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.